Hi guys, it's Rowan, aka the Human Voice Box here, bringing you more free sound effects that you guys can use on your film. So today's free sound effect is going to be grass growing. Now, grass, that green sort of twiggy stuff, sometimes on, well, people have it as lawns. So, it's in a lot of movies and it's in at least 5 movies which I've seen, and every time I watch the film, I'm just like, why is that grass not making any noise? That doesn't make any sense at all, and it's just ridiculous. So make sure you cover all these bases, otherwise it really draws people out of the film when there's just sound missing for things which should be making noise. So I'm going to do you a favor, do a grass growing sound effect for you, and hopefully you'll find it useful in your next film. Okay, so sound effect now. Grass growing. I use photosynthesis and water to convert light into energy and power. I am grass. So, hopefully you guys find that useful, and I look forward to hearing it in the next Hollywood movie where there's grass in the background. Otherwise, it would just be dumb.